defense, which shouldn't be bad, but you know, let's do it. Say hi in the chat. Okay. Oh, it looks like I am recruit this round. Don't know who I'll have with again. Oh, that's crappy. So it looks like we'll be sitting through this round, but we'll all have to see. Sorry if I don't talk too much, it's just I'm trying to see how much, like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm dumb. Okay, so Lion found the bomb. Okay, we're gonna watch Lion. But yeah, if you guys wanna play with me on PC, just give me your PSN. Or not PSN, your Steam. And also on Xbox. I do have Xbox. I'll be recording on Xbox eventually. But also if you guys wanna, like, yeah. If you guys wanna add me on Xbox, my gamer tag is G9Darkson. Capital G 9 space capital D lowercase ARNKSIN. But yeah, so that's my Xbox name. And also, if you guys want me to play other games, just comment down below on what you guys would like to see. Because I'm down to buy new games if you guys want to see it. That was unlucky, but it's all good. So, we're gonna be on defense, so I'm gonna have to go recruit. Let's do it. That was a nice kill. Okay. I have to go recruit. FBS SWAT. Yep, not that. Okay, so I'm gonna be using recruit with, here, I'll just show you my loadout one more time with the UMP 45 and the M45. Both, in my opinion, the best gun for defense and the best pistol. So that's what we'll be using. Here, I'm gonna get a little bit louder so you guys can hear me better. And sorry if I'm talking a little quiet. It's actually pretty late where I am right now. that was unlucky. Nice call on his part. I gotta give it to him. That was a lucky drop. I should have killed him. That's my fault. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna go Thermite. We are going to go Thermite. Okay. So, we're gonna go Thermite. We're gonna try to get the clutch. Okay. So, we got, okay, Montagne, Thatcher, Thermite, Finka, and Zofia. That's decent. We don't have really, okay, but we have one hard breacher. We have, but other than that, yeah. Let's do it. Okay, let's see. Castle. Okay. I like where they are. There's not many. I mean, it's a decent enclosed spot, but there also is a lot of. The thing that I hate is that there's so many objects in that room, and I like when it's mainly open, but you know, it's what it is. I'm just gonna do this just because. That's my bad. I should not have peeked that. That is totally my fault. We're gonna skip that right there. Gonna launch our teammates. Okay. Oh, nice kill by Finka. Oh, nice frag by Finka too. That was very nice. That was very good of her. Okay. Do 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 do. If we should win this round, but you know, it's fine if we don't. Let's go. We won this round, so we got another round ahead of us. Let's get it. Oh, okay. Don't know how she didn't see him, but it's whatever. Recruit, boom. might not be able to fit this whole video in. It's gonna be close. So if there's a part 2, you have to watch that. I'm thinking there's gonna be a part 2. Honestly, I'm gonna run out and try to peek them. Don't do this if you were actually like trying to peek it. Okay, well, looks like they're winning. Probably shouldn't have done that, but you know, whatever. Yeah, they're probably gonna win this round, but it's whatever. Okay. So it looks like these guys are winning. They're definitely gonna end up winning. Yep. Alright guys, that's gonna finish it out for this video. You saw how I did. I did pretty bad, 2 and 3. But yeah guys, if you liked, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment, whatever you guys would like to do. And yeah, that will be it for this. That will be it for this video.